Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dela Wayuni. I'm from TBI 1 4th semester. Okay, here I will present a topic that I think is interesting about teaching listening skill. And I choose one topic that is practice listening skill with podcast. And I choose one media that is a podcast. In digital era, podcasts are becoming one of the more popular and effective learning media to improve listening skill. And I have some reason why podcasts are interesting for listening skill. Number one, the content is original, like everyday conversation. Number two, can be heard at any time, making students learn on their own. Number three, the topics are diverse, helping students get used to various language style. And then the last one is there is an interaction feature, so teacher can give feedback to student. With this advantage, podcasts are perfect for improving student listening skill. And then I have example of steps teacher that use podcasts to help students practice listening skill. Number one, teacher choose simple interview podcasts for beginner. Then gradually use more complex news or short story podcasts. And then number two, after the teacher choose a podcast, then the teacher makes comprehension exercise of the podcast content, such as teacher make a question, what is the content of the podcast, fill in the dots on the text that contains the podcast, fill in the question, notes new vocabulary, determines who is speaking, and she or he is opinion, and etc. And then number three is after that, the teacher explain how to access and listening the podcast. And the teacher give instruction about the exercise so that the student focus on the important information to answer the question. And the last one is after all is done, the teacher give feedback on students' understanding that asks them to write, respond, and comment about the experience of learning to listen using podcasts. Okay, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.